Can you say I love you, Grandma and Grandpa?
I love you, Grandma and Grandpa.
And you call them Mimi, right? Mimi and Grandpa? Yay. So here's Miss Freya. Hi.
I need to see Freya.
Hold on, we have to, well, I'll show you in a minute. We can't look right now. And then, of course, Haven, who wants instant gratification. And some hugs. Okay.
Hi.
There you go. All right. One ballerina dance coming up on February 6th, 2009. Let's see you spin, girls. Ballerina. Wow, that's some good dancing. Wow. Let's see what else you have, ladies. Whoa, one ballerina down. Oh, another ballerina down. Okay, it continues. What's that?
I see Violet's dad.
I don't understand.
Oh, I see Violet.
Oh, you see Violet and Violet's dad? Okay.
Oh.
Ballerinas are taking a break.